Hey everyone, the Xiaomi 17 Max and Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra represent two very different philosophies in the flagship smartphone world. Both devices sit at the absolute top of the Android market in 2026. Both feature cutting-edge hardware, massive displays, flagship cameras, and advanced AI capabilities. Yet they approach the premium smartphone experience from completely different directions. Instead, the real difference comes down to what type of flagship experience users actually want from their smartphone. From a design perspective, both phones look premium, but they create very different first impressions. The Xiaomi 17 Max embraces a cleaner and more minimalist identity. Xiaomi removed unnecessary design distractions and focused on simplicity. The rear panel looks elegant and polished, especially in the white color option, where the translucent finish gives the device a sleek and modern appearance. The Galaxy S26 Ultra takes a more futuristic and professional approach. Samsung refined the Ultra design by softening the previously sharp corners, making the phone significantly more comfortable during extended use. Samsung's new armor aluminum frame also contributes to the lighter feel, while still maintaining excellent durability. When it comes to display technology, both smartphones are exceptional, but they excel in different areas. The Xiaomi 17 Max focuses on raw visual quality and efficiency. Its 6.9-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with superpixel technology creates an incredibly sharp image despite using a 1.5K resolution. Xiaomi's RGB full subpixel arrangement allows text and fine details to appear closer to true 2K sharpness, while preserving the power efficiency advantages of a lower resolution display. Samsung, however, continues to dominate with innovation and overall panel refinement. The Galaxy S26 Ultra uses a sharper 1440p dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display, giving it a slightly superior native sharpness compared to the Xiaomi. Samsung's brightness levels remain excellent, and the anti-reflective Gorilla Armor 2 coating improves outdoor visibility dramatically, but the true standout feature is Horizon Lock in video mode. In terms of hardware and performance, both devices are among the most powerful Android phones ever released. The Xiaomi 17 Max runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, paired with fast UFS 4.1 storage and up to 16 gigs of RAM. Performance is exceptional across the board. Gaming feels effortless, multitasking is flawless, and thermal management is extremely impressive thanks to Xiaomi's advanced three-dimensional ring-shaped cooling system. The Galaxy S26 Ultra uses a customized Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy variant, clocked slightly higher than the standard chip. Samsung's optimization gives it a small edge in AI workloads and overall computational power. The camera systems on both phones are outstanding, but again, their strengths differ. The Xiaomi 17 Max focuses on delivering a relaxed and flexible photography experience centered around its Leica-branded 200 megapixels main sensor. The camera captures extraordinary detail, allowing users to crop aggressively without sacrificing image quality. Samsung approaches photography with a broader and more software-driven system. The Galaxy S26 Ultra features a versatile quad-camera setup, including dual telephoto lenses with 3x and 5x optical zoom. Low-light photography appears slightly brighter and more refined compared to earlier generations, while Samsung's computational photography remains extremely powerful. However, the real standout feature is Horizon Lock in video mode. Battery life is where the Xiaomi 17 Max completely dominates. Samsung's 5,000 mAh battery simply cannot compete with Xiaomi's massive 8,000 mAh silicon carbon battery. Charging speeds are also far superior, with 100-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging, especially considering the enormous capacity being charged. The Galaxy S26 Ultra improves charging compared to its predecessor with 60-watt wired charging and 25-watt wireless charging, but the overall battery setup feels conservative next to Xiaomi's aggressive hardware approach. For users who value battery life, gaming, and a pure flagship hardware experience, the Xiaomi 17 Max may actually feel like the better overall package, especially considering its significantly lower price. But for users who prioritize software intelligence, productivity, AI creativity, long-term software support, and futuristic features, the Galaxy S26 Ultra stands out as one of the most technologically ambitious smartphones ever made. Both are exceptional devices, but they define the idea of a flagship smartphone in completely different ways. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and see you soon.